Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about the Whirlpool electric dryer that we have here on the floor. As you can see, pretty simple control panel. It does have electric with the knobs. On the right hand side, you do have additional options as well as some steam options, which we are a big fan of the steam. Keep in mind, in order to get the steam, you would have to add your Y hose that will connect from the washer to the dryer so that you can get your steam. On the top, you have a very large lint filter, so opportunity to catch all those beach towels, plush blankets, things like that that produce a lot of that lint. You do have the options of doing a time dry, 90, 60, 30, and 15. Temperatures are going to go anywhere from extra low up to high. You have your static reduce and your wrinkle shield. It is going to be an electronic control to turn the unit on, as well as to start it and to pause the unit. And you have the opportunity to go ahead and mute any of those signals that sometimes can be a little bit more annoying than others. Internally, you are looking at a little bit over 7 cubic feet for the dryer. So large capacity to make sure you're really getting that heat movement through those clothes and even blankets that you want to make sure get dry the whole way. As always, if you have any questions, please check out donsappliances.com or stop by a location today to see what we have to offer for you.